Biology MCQs. MCQs number 1. Shell of actinopods is composed of silica. Option B is correct. MCQs number 2. On the basis of mode of nutrition, zooflagellates are all of them free living, parasites, saprophytes. Option D is correct. All of these. MCQs number 3. Body form of Spirogyra is unicellular, multicellular, colonial. Correct option is all of them. MCQs number 4. Epicomplexons included Plasmodium. Option C is correct. Plasmodium. MCQs number 5. Chlorophyll A and B are present in Eugrinophyta. Option A is correct. MCQs number 6. Plant body of algae is thallus. Option C is correct. Thallus. MCQs number 7. Function of cytoplasmic extension of actinopod is capture of prey. D is correct. MCQ number 8. Digestion of dry wood is assisted by trichonympha. Option C is correct. MCQ number 9. Organ of locomotion of paramecium is cilia. Option C is correct. MCQ number 10. Only chlorophyll A is present in Rhodophyta. Option D is correct. 11. Acetabularia are included in Chlorophyta. Option D is correct. 12. Thylus is devoid of all of them. Vascular tissue, true roots, true shoots. All of them is correct. MCQ number 13. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. Option C is correct. 14. Example of water mold is Phytophthora infestans. Option C is correct. 15. Organ of locomotion of Rhodolarians is Pseudopodia. Option B is correct. Pseudopodia. 16. Chalk is believed to be evolved from foraminiferanes. Option D is correct. MCQs number 17. Chlorophyll A and C are present in all of them. Phyrophyta, Phaeophyta, Chrysophyta. Option D is correct. MCQs number 18. Diatoms are examples of Chrysophyta. Option B is correct. MCQs number 19. Numbers of flagella present in Euglena are 2. Option B is correct. MCQs number 20. Trypanosoma is transmitted by bites of Tessifly. Option B is correct. MCQs number 21. Phytophthora infestans drastically infects potato. Option B is correct. Potato. MCQs number 22. Question: cause of malaria is epicomplexons. Option C is correct. (23) Organ of locomotion of Plasmodium is none of them. MCQs number 24. Cuticle is made up of chitin. Option C is correct. Chitin. MCQs number 25. Antennae are absent in Arachnida. Option B is correct. MCQs number 26. Mollusca moves by feet. Option C is correct. MCQs number 27. Hemachordata respire by gill slits. Option C is correct. Gill slits. 28. Amphibians are evolved from Dipnoi. Option B is correct. MCQ number 29. Urine of birds is excreted in semi-solid form. C is correct. 30. Cuticle is secreted by epidermis. D is correct. 31. Function of book lungs is respiration. D is correct. Respiration. MCQs number 32. Body of Pelicephoda is compressed by laterally. Option D is correct. MCQs number 33. Vacuolated cells of notochord consist of proteins. B is correct. Proteins. MCQs number 34. Number of functional ovaries of bird is 1. A is correct. 1. 35. Body cavity of arthropod is termed as hemicoel. Option D is correct. 36. The oldest vertebrates are considered to be amphibians. A is correct. Amphibians. 37. Chitin is made up of both A and B, carbohydrate as well as proteins. Option C is correct. MCQs number 38. Most reduced shell is present in cephalopoda. Option C is correct. Cephalopoda. 39. Position of nervous system of chordatas is dorsal. A is correct. Dorsal. MCQs number 40. Hemocol communicate with blood vascular system. A is correct. 41. Gizzard takes part in digestion. A is correct. 42. Number of pair of limbs present in tetrapods are 4. B is correct. 43. In ascites, the exoskeleton sheds off. A is correct. MCQs number 44. Animals with spiny skins are included in echinodermata. Option C is correct. Excretory system of arthropod consists of Malpighian tubules. Option C is correct. MCQs number 46. Gill slides are functional in embryonic life in A and B, amphibians as well as Pesics. Option C is correct. 47. Nourishment of mammals fetus is provided by mother. Option A is correct. 48. Chromatophores are present in skins. C is correct. 49. Trypanosoma causes skin diseases. Option 4 is correct. 50. Skeleton of echinoderms is secreted by mesodermal cells. Option C is correct.